Want to know where Jamaica's best-kept secrets are hiding? The real magic is happening down in St. Elizabeth, where the crowds haven't caught on yet and the experiences are amazing. Let's uncover 5 spots that'll have your friends asking why you didn't invite them. First stop, Black River Safari. We're talking crocodiles in their natural habitat, gliding through mangrove forests like the ancient predators they are. These prehistoric beauties have been ruling these waters for millions of years, and watching them move through the river will absolutely mesmerize you. The coolest part? You'll visit a crocodile nursery afterwards, where they're actually protecting injured and baby crocs before releasing them back into the wild. This is real conservation happening right before your eyes. Now, if you're enjoying this South Coast adventure, go ahead and gently tap that like button. It seriously helps us keep discovering these incredible hidden gems for you. Ready for some history you can taste? Appleton Rum Estate has been making rum since 1749. That's over 270 years of perfecting liquid gold. The tour takes you through everything from sugarcane to bottle. And yes, there's plenty of tasting involved. Walking through those gorgeous grounds with the smell of molasses in the air is pure Jamaica vibes. Whether you love rum or you're just curious, this experience is absolutely fun. Here's where your jaw drops. Lover's Leap puts you on the edge of a 1,700-foot cliff, overlooking the most stunning turquoise water you've ever seen. The Caribbean stretches out forever, and the views literally take your breath away. But the story behind this place hits different. Back in the 1700s, 2 enslaved people fell deeply in love, and when others tried to separate them, they chose to hold hands and leap into the sea together rather than live apart. It's heartbreaking, it's powerful, and it makes this spot so much more than just a pretty view. They've got a restaurant where you can get food while soaking in those incredible views. Come during sunset and watch the golden hour colors paint that sky. Now let me show you real artistry. The Wood of Life gift shop in Treasure Beach is where Robert Wright creates stunning handmade wooden pieces. This man has been perfecting his craft for over 20 years. The moment you walk in and smell that fresh wood, you know you found something special. He makes beautiful eating utensils, jewelry, and jewelry boxes that are so gorgeous you'll want to frame them instead of use them. His wooden dishes and bowls sell out fast, so you might want to pre-order. This is what supporting local artisans looks like, and you'll take home a genuine piece of Jamaica. Finally, my favorite spot, Frenchman's Bay. Most people drive right past because it doesn't look like much from the road, but walk through and suddenly you're hit with colorful buildings, blue-green water meeting golden sand, and 0 tourist crowds. Just locals, good vibes, and a restaurant with bars serving incredible food. The sunset here is pure serenity, with beautifully painted fishing boats bobbing in the water. They've got bathrooms and showers, the beach is free, and the vibe is so laid back that time stops mattering. This is the Jamaica that doesn't make it onto resort brochures, and that's exactly what makes St. Elizabeth special. From crocodile-filled rivers to cliff-edge romance, from artisan workshops to hidden beaches, this parish is packed with authentic experiences most travelers never discover. So when you're planning your Jamaica trip, don't skip the South Coast. These 5 spots will give you stories you'll remember for years.